Hi, Lamai. Can I get a quick confirmation in the chat box regarding the sounds? Am I loud and clear? Get me a message in the chat box, Lamai. Yes? Good. Okay. So last week we completed the unit number 2, right? Last week we completed the unit number 2. Then now we are going to do the past papers of the unit number 2. Past papers from 2016 to 2020, 21 to 24, 25, 21 to 25. It will be done as a revision for UP. Closer to the exam. Harida Laman. So we'll start off with 2016. Patanganda. So I'll start doing it. I'll give you a few minutes first of all for you all to try the question, for you all to understand about you people. So I told you to keep a separate book to do the past papers. Better not to write the answers in the past paper Yuta. Because the unit wise past papers, once you write the answer, if you want to try it again, you can more than already answered. Already have written the answer. Already, if you have written answer, what to study again? You get my point? So you will not have anything to study again. So write the answers for past paper questions in a different book and keep. Keep the past paper cute, neat and fresh without a single 10 line. Then you can use that cute again and again. Question practice the same question 2-3 times practice karata command. Start Lama. I'll give you how many questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. I'll give you like maybe 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4-5 minutes. Start doing it, Lama. Start doing it. the past paper questions from the unit number 2. Past paper questions from unit number 2. 2016. Huh? Cool. Okay. So, Lamai, let's discuss the questions. 2016 time is enough. Huh? Now we'll see. We'll see the answers. Dilini, a diploma holder, sewing children's clothes. Started a business to sew and sell the children's clothes as Dilutex with Dilan, a designer, employing capital equally and purchasing a building close to preschool. So these people are, Dilani is a diploma holder. She has a diploma of how to stitch the children's clothes or sew the children's clothes. And she took another person to the business called Dilan, a designer. So these two people are running the business now, and they took a building close to a preschool. So their business building is close to a preschool. They are asking an opportunity. So Lamai, we studied opportunity means internal positives or external positives. Opportunities are internal positives or external positives. Opportunities are external positives. Okay. So let's now you go through this entire scenario. You are having your business closer to a preschool. Preschool is not something inside the organization, it's outside the organization, which is a good opportunity for you to grow the business. Then what should be the answer? The business is situated closer by the preschool. So 2016. Question 2. Answer is 1. Next one. While space of the business are interested in the safety of the investment, second one, space are interested obtaining a reasonable salary. So generally, who will invest money into the business, Laman? Generally, owners. Owners only will invest money into the business. So owners are cautious about the safety of the investment they are making. Generally, who are interested about the salary, Laman? Use the chat box. Generally, who are interested about the salary? Employees. So owners and employees, it's there in the fourth option. So the question number 6, answer is 4. Now let's move to the next one. Question number 7. Following are few events occurred in a business environment. They're asking answers that include only economic economic environment. Declaring a day to celebrate disabled soldiers. So it is connected with society, social. Increase in the bank interest rate is connected to the economic environment. So we learn Lamai, interest rate, inflation rate, exchange rate, unemployment rate, distribution of the income. So these are certain examples that we study. Increase in the price level of consumer goods. So what are they talking here? Tell me one single word for increase in the price level of the consumer goods. What is that? They are talking about the inflation number. Inflation. That is also connected to the economic environment. So your answer should be B and C. It's there in the third option. For the question number 7, answer is 3. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. So this is paper 1. Paper 2. Question 2. True or false? Owner of the business are internal environment, while customers are external environment. හරිද වැරදිද ළමයි? Owner internal lu, customer external lu. Is that correct? So 3 internal we studied. What are the internal ones we studied? Employees, managers, owners, somehow people, parties who are there inside the business. Intern. Who is there inside? Other people are external. So customers are outside. So it's a true statement. True. True. Next up. Rupa, soap. Rupa, who is living near Dunhida waterfall, purchases conkerers, badairing from the farmers and sell boiled corn kernels to local and foreign tourists with the help of an employee. Write 2 parties in internal environment of the Rupa's business in this case. So in this case, internal parties they asking. Internal parties means ඇතුළින් කට්ටිය, inside people. One is Rupa. Rupa, the owner. Rupa is the owner. And they are telling she is having the help of the employees also. So another party who is there inside the business, inside ඇතුළේ ඉන්න කට්ටියනේ. Employees. That's all. 2016 done. Now shall we jump to 2017 ළමයි? You do the 2017 and 18 both. 17 only one question is there. So finish the 2017 and 18 both. Okay. So we'll do the 2017 one, will you, Laman? Completion of master's degree. So what is this master's, Laman? I'll just give you an understanding. After your O levels, you'll be doing the A levels. After the A levels, you have two paths to select. One is the academic qualifications, other one is professional qualifications. So what are these professional qualifications when it's come to the business and finance, like chartered accounting, ACCA, CIMA, CMA, CIM. These are professional qualifications. So I'm not going to teach you what is the difference between academic and professional. And academic පැත්තට තමයි bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree. After the bachelor's degree, you can go for the master's degree. Master's degree. Then you can go for PhD. That is academic side. Then you just think and see, Lamai, think and see. When you study well, your internal positive is increasing or someone's outside external positive is increasing. Can you ඔයා ඉගෙන ගත්තොත් ඔයාගේ internal positive වැඩි වෙනවා the external positive වැඩි වෙනවා. If you study, what will happen? Tell me, come. If you study, internal positives will go up. So internal positive means what? Strength the opportunity. Internal positive means strength or opportunity. It's a strength for the business. So answer is the first one. Answer is the first one. Now do the 2018 Laman. The answer. Good. Okay. Samadhi, who is currently working at Ravimal Company and the best performer at G.C.E. A-level 2017 in Nelumbila Mahavidyalaya, of which new laboratory and the building were developed by the concept of the nearest school is the best. Received a letter from University Grant Commission mentioning she has been selected to the university. So from UGC, University Grant Commission of Sri Lanka, now she got a letter saying she has selected to the university. Okay. Select the correct statement regarding the above case. They are asking the correct statement. So this question, I would say it is not connected to the unit number 2. It's connected to unit number 1 and 2 together. The concept nearest school is the best. Is economic environmental factors. None lamai, what is economic environmental factors we study? Inflation, interest rate, exchange rate, unemployment rate, the price level changes, the distribution of the income and wealth. So here people, they are connecting a social factor. Where closest school is the best school, telling to the society. Building of the school belong to the production factor of land. People, in the previous chapter, in unit number 1, we studied whatever the man-made item, we will call it as capital. Land means whatever the natural resources. So this is also out. UGC is a service providing business. Yes. What is this UGC lamai? In Sri Lanka, University Grant Commission, that body only look after all the universities in Sri Lanka, whether they are doing the correct thing or not, properly or not. So they are not selling any product. They are giving a service. So that is the correct answer for the question number 3. Third. Question number 7. Increase in the value of American dollar relatively to the value of the Sri Lankan rupee. What is this lamai they are talking? Value of one currency against our currency. Value of one currency against our currency. Or other currency. They are talking about the exchange rate lamai. Exchange rate. Exchange rate. Now you tell me exchange rate is a part of what environment? Exchange rate, economic environment. Second one starts. Good. Good. So now let's move to the paper 2. Okay. Due to the increase of American dollar against Sri Lankan rupee, the cost of importing crude oil has increased. So I'll just give you an understanding, people. Those days, I mean, maybe 5 years back, $1 is equal to 150 rupees or something. Now $1 is equal to 300 rupees. Haridalam. So this is what has happened in our country. Sri Lankan. So those days to purchase $1, I have to give only 150 rupees. Now if I want to purchase $1 from the bank, I have to pay 300 rupees. So I have to pay more rupees to get that $1 paper from the bank. So our currency is not doing well. Our currency is not doing well. Those days, lamai, I'm just saying, 1 liter of crude oil is $2. Now also 1 liter is $2. ඒක වෙනසක් නැහැ. Those days also 1 liter $2. Now also 1 liter $2. The question that I am asking from you, those days 1 liter ගන්න කොච්චර cost වෙලා ඇද්ද? those days. $2 ni 150 rupees gane 300 rupees. So this is little bit of economics, not relevant for you people. Just since this question is there, I'm just teaching. Now people, $1 is 300 rupees. Now for us to get the same 1 liter, the cost is 600 rupees. ඉස්සර 300ට ගත්ත ලීටරේ දැන් 600ට ගන්න. What is the reason? This exchange rate went up from 150 to 300. Price got double. So this is what people in Sri Lanka also happened. When the exchange rate goes up, automatically imported items prices will increase. Somehow people in this one, what are they asking? Question number 2, part 4a. What is the business environmental factor? Exchange rate nilama. Economic environment. Economic environment. Part B, what are they asking? Suggest suitable substitutes. Suggest a substitute to minimize the use of crude oil. Substitute these days one of the famous one. What is that? Solar. Using solar. Using solar. That's all. 2018 also done, no? 2018, 2017, and 2016. Now start doing the 2019 11. Good. Very good. People who completed it, very good. Huh? Before the class finished or now finished? Huh? Question number 5 and 6. Okay, shall we? Nipuna and Upuli, the owners of luxury product business which export coconut fiber products. So they are exporting. Exporting කියන්නේ යවනවා. They are sending it to a different country. Received the Best Entrepreneur Award 2019. They got a award. They got a award. And the government offered a foreign tour for them and employees. Sure. So what government did? They offered them a foreign tour. Rata Koyari Savari. Foreign tour. First one, what they're asking. What is the external environmental factor of luxury product business? So Nipuna and Nupuli are the owners. Owners are internal. Internal employees are also internal. Government external. The question number 5, answer is 4. Next one, question number 6. Receiving the Best Entrepreneur Award. So they got an award for them. For them, they got an award as the best entrepreneur. A positive, it is a positive. They got, for them, they can show I got award, I got award, I got award. That he got a not he got a award, not he got award. An external positive. It's a positive that they got. So internal positive, internal positive strengths or opportunities. Internal positives are strengths. So for the question number 6, answer is 1. Paper 2. Question number 2, part B. True or false? Suppliers, customers, all these parties are internal or external. Suppliers are external, not internal. Suppliers are external, not internal. In the suppliers love. They are not keeping inside the building. Suppliers are outside. So that is a false statement. So what are they telling? Suppliers are internal. Wrong, no. Suppliers are not internal. Suppliers are external. False statement. Done. Do the 2020 lemon. Do the 2020. Three questions are there. Good. 2020 paper 1 question 2. Paper 2 2B. And 2OE. Okay, shall we? We'll do a students of Girikula Mahavidyalaya prefer rice porridge prepared by the school all students association. Rice porridge means can the association, school cooperative society, and academic and non-academic staff collectively using the rice donated by Daham Sekara, owner of the Tissa rice mill. So a lot of school parties are coming together and they are making this rice porridge. And rice is given by Mr. Daham Sekara, donated by Mr. Daham Sekara. He is owner of a rice mill. An example for external environment. External means outside. Teachers, academic staff means teachers. Are there inside or outside lamai? Teachers are there inside. No, academic staff means teachers. Non-academic staff means lamai, these cleaning people, office assistants where they will take the documents of principal from one teacher to another teacher. They non-academic staff. But still they are staff ne lamai. Staff kiyanne ඇතුලේ. Intern. Staff kiyanne ඇතුලේ. Inside the organization. Students are also there inside the school. Inside. This rice may business, not inside the school. Business. Not doing the business inside the school. Outside. This rice mill is outside. Outside. External, no, they ask me. So answer is the third. Third one is the answer. Question number 2, part. Business opportunities can be identified in opportunities කියන්නේ ළමයි external positives නේ. External positives. Internal positives people, we will call it as strengths. Opportunities are external positives. So this is false. False. Done. Next one. When Vikrama, the owner of Vikum rubber product business, applied for a bank loan to expand his business and faced increased demand, he got to know that annual bank loan interest rate gone from 12% to 8%. Interest rate connected to which environment lamai? Under economic environment. Interest rate. So with that, we are done with the 2020 paper as well. Cool. We are done with the 2020 paper also. Colors. Finish. So done, huh? Done.